YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Chase, and we are back with another video. Now, forgive me to all my people who love rugby. I know it has been a while. It's been a minute, maybe like 2-3 months since I posted a rugby video. Forgive me, I'm sorry. A lot of things been going on. You know, life been lifing, but we are indeed here today. We got South African schoolboy, freak of nature, Ethan the Tank Adams. I've seen him before. I saw a play or two of him. He's a big brawly ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? He big as shit. So we gonna react to him. I want to see him throwing folks all over the ground. You feel me? Running up. I want to see blood. So, enough yapping. Let's get it. Look at him. Look at him.
Stepping with his left side.
Just
Focus.
He's how old is he?
Just above 100 kilograms.
18? I think y'all were telling me he's 18. Yeah, he's 18. Bro, look at bro's legs. Like, damn.
But quick as anything.
Big and burly.
Yeah, that's a spectacular.
Big hefty ass. Okay. Hey! Oh shit. Oh, that's Ethan? Okay. That boy got a little bit of speed. That boy got some speed on him. Okay, then a little shifty, alright. Okay, Ethan. Hit his dump, boom, dump his ass. Okay. I like the music. Okay, Ethan, get jiggy. Little stiff arm action. He's going. Oh, a little juke move. Okay, break the tackle now. He's going. Bye. Peace. That boy got some speed on him, bro. And he's shifty.
Beautiful ball and a great line pick.
That boy shifty as hell. I'm gonna be honest, bro. That's surprising to me. Seeing like someone built like a bowling ball, bro. And then but he moving. He you feel me? Okay. Okay, Ethan, run his ass over the end. Run him over. Okay, watch this. Look. Sit down. All right, Ethan. Get off of him. They're too little, man. They're too small. That's all that is. Okay. Ethan, get jiggy. Get jiggy. Get loose. Man, sit down. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Look at this. He just, bro, he ended that man's career. Look at this.
Ethan Adams.
Oh my God. He flipped him. Coach, go check on your player, man. I think he did. Hey, get out of there, Ethan. Get out of there. Stiff arm. They're too little. They're too small. Okay. That boy, bro, he's too big. They can't tackle him. Literally, they can't tackle him, bro. Literally, they can't do it. They can't do it.
And the tank sails over in the right corner.
Yeah. They're babies, bro. They're babies. Does this score say 50-3? Okay. Go ahead and pass it to Ethan. Everybody move out the way and let Ethan eat. Let him work. Let him work. Just give the ball to Ethan, bro. Just give the ball. Move it, nigga. Move out the way. Stiff over.
Ethan, the Tank Adams. Oh my word.
Oh my. Wait.
The Tank Adams. Oh,
he threw 2 people back to back. Nah, that's a violation, bro. That's crazy. Uh-oh. Yeah, and then he's just faster. He's just faster. Alright. Uh-oh, so Ethan on defense. Now I see him. He lurking. Hey! That boy do it all. Look. Dump his ass. Uh-oh. Ethan, get loose. Get loose. Ooh, put a little more. Bro, he taking on the whole team, bro. He said, everybody move out the way and let me work. Let me work.
Packs a big punch. Elvia goes to the right and he got
okay, all right. Go ahead, pass it. Yep, just get out the way.
Ethan Adams scores his second try for the Free State.
Yeah, bro, this dude, he cold. I wouldn't play on everything I love. I would not play against him. He would put me so far into the ground. That shit would hurt, bro. My whole shoulder would be just dislocated. Stiff arm again. Stiff arm again. Okay. Okay. Where he at? Where he at? Okay, just give him. Go ahead, pass it. Yep, get jiggy, get loose, Ethan. That's speed. Stiff arm. Big ass nigga. Bro is burly. Damn. He easily about 215, 230. Just running past folks, pushing folks around, running over, running through. Alright, what we got?
Ervia clears beautifully. Will they play it quickly? They do indeed. Divan Fury. Powerful run out.
Okay.
Fine space. Divan Fury.
Hey! Flip him! Good tackle. It's a good tackle. Damn. That boy was proud and he was waiting. Great job, man. This boy, hey, he different. That motherfucker different. And like y'all say, he 18? If he's 18, bro, he's low-key only going. Oh my god! He's dragging niggas! Look at this! Oh my god. This dude is taking on the whole team, bro. And like I said, if he's only 18, bro gonna only get bigger and stronger. Probably taller. This shit crazy, bro. Look at him. Get off of him! Get off of him! Man! Wait, damn, who is this big ass nigga right here? Who is he? Oh my goodness gracious. His calf's the same size of his quads. It don't matter though. It don't matter. Ethan got in there too easy. Yeah. Big boy, he ain't want to tackle, bro, for real. Uh-oh.
Just wanted to say that Aya Boyson might be the key man, but they've lost that ball. Thumping tackle. Ethan Adams.
That boy a dog. Ethan the Tank Adams is a dog. He's a dog. He is. He is. He finna do it again too. Oh my god. Oh my god, the pass! Okay.
It's well sacked by Afis.
Look, just run through him. Just run. Bro, I go to my coach and be like, Coach, he's better than me. He's faster, he's stronger, he's quicker. He can catch better, he can pass better, he can kick better. Coach, I can't beat this dude. He is better than me in every aspect. And that boy just gritty, just tough.
Never afraid to get stuck in.
Okay.
Still going off the stage. Now it's gone to ground and the referee says penalty advantage for Karen. Felix puts it on
Ethan, oh my god, bro. He already getting active. Bro, he's a baller, bro. He's a baller. No cap. Bro is a baller. No bullshit.
Big scrap from Great College. Picked up
Okay.
by base.
Okay.
Adams. Adams steps the last defender. He's a superstar. Is Ethan the Tank Adams?
Yeah, he a superstar for sure.
This afternoon.
At 18?
Watch out, South African schools rugby in 2025. Ethan Adams.
That's
is
crazy,
on the
bro.
way.
That's crazy, bro. He assaulting these men,
As well.
bullying them.
Adams.
Uh oh, go ahead, just give it back to him. Yep. Get,
More points for Great College. The City of Roses on their feet. Children next to the field in rashes.
Hey, bro, that boy different. He different. It's just straight like that. Hopefully you all did enjoy. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit post notifications to know when I upload. And like always, man, follow my socials, bro. Get at that. I'm going to continue to try my best to mix in some rugby. It's difficult because football season going on, you feel me, over here in the US of A. But I'm going to still try my best. But yeah, that's really going to be it, though. So, make sure y'all keep thugging. Make sure y'all stay dangerous. And we out.